Yes, good morning, everybody. Okay, so I'm glad to be back on YouTube. It's been a long time, and even if this video is not the quality you want, please kindly manage it. It's been a long time I did a video on YouTube, so I'm trying to catch up on so many things. So my name is Otufori Abdul Karim, and today what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be talking about five, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, 5 ways by which you can make money just using the regular things you do on a daily, such as using your WhatsApp, using your TikTok, using your Facebook, and a host of other things you do on a daily basis. Many of these platforms actually profit from the fact that we use them, but how do we then make money from using these platforms? There are tons of ways, and I'm going to be sharing a few of them with you today. So, one of the things that is very important to know is that these platforms actually can pay you as much as 15 naira, 100 naira, 13 naira, 7 naira, 8 naira, depending on the activities you carry out. And the activities you carry out on these websites are, are simple things that we do every day. So I think it's something that you have to look into and just use as a side gig if you are looking for what to do. Because obviously we are, many of us are using Facebook as we speak. Many of us are using Instagram as we speak. So why not just use these platforms as a means to also make money? All right. So that said, if you like this video, kindly subscribe, like, and turn on the notification, yes, so that I can be encouraged, because those are the things that really encourage us on YouTube. All right. So the very first platform I'm going to be sharing with us today is called Sidegig. All right. So I came across this platform online, and it happens to be a very innovative platform. That is the first one I'm going to be sharing with us today, Sidegig. So what does Sidegig do? Now, Sidegig is more or less like a freelancing website. All right. So if freelancing where you are able to outsource your project or your ideas to people, and they help you, bring it to life. All right. So many of these platforms basically are just, almost the same thing, but they a little things are different about them. So side gig. Now this is side gig. To get started, you have to come to sidegig.co. Find the best freelancers online for any task. Now, for all of these platforms, I'm going to be adding the registration link in the description below of this video. So I would appreciate if you want to register, you register through my link. I would appreciate. If you don't want to register through my link, no problems at all. Know that referrals are profitable for those who use referral links. So I have to make that very, very clear. Now, on side gig, the very first thing you have to do is, if you are coming in as a new person, or if you click my link, you just come to join as a freelancer. When you click on join as a freelancer, it will open up this page for you. Then you click on start earning. It will tell you to register. So you fill in your preferred username, all of these details, you put in your phone number. Now here, ensure that you are not registering as a client, because now you want to make money. You're not the one that wants to pay for the tasks that are done. So you want to make money. So you have to register as a freelancer looking for work. So once you register as a freelancer looking for work, it would mean that you have the right to take on jobs, to complete some tasks. So in my own case, for example, I'm already registered. So what I'm just going to do is, this site is still new to me. Let me see if I can see the login here. Start earning. Because right now, what I want to do is I want to log in into my own account. Okay, this is my account. Now, this is Sidegig. Mm. If you see what it's telling you here, it's saying that 126 total active jobs. That means there are 126 jobs that are active. Now, this is my profile. Mm. It is to be noted that all the amounts stated are in Naira currency. So, which means that by simply doing all of these tasks here, you see, this person is saying that follow me on Instagram for 3 naira, follow me on Instagram for 3 naira, follow me on Instagram for 3 naira. Those are the jobs that are trending. So if you click on see all tasks here, you will see that there are more jobs here, there are more tasks here to be done. So this one is saying that a retweet on Twitter something that is very easy. I mean, obviously, you retweet on Twitter every day, even for people that you don't even know. So, how much more if you come to this platform and all you have to do is just, you click on view. Let me say I want to retweet this tweet, for example. You click on view, then it will tell you that, click the link below to complete tasks. Now, if you click on that link, it will take you to that Twitter page, and all it will tell you is just to retweet this tweet here. So once you retweet this tweet here, you understand what I'm saying. So the platform will automatically, let me even try to do that. Let me retweet the tweet. Okay, so I've done that now. All right. So I think the platform will take just about some minutes to be able to. Okay, so I have to do a proof here. Proof of task. All right, so what I think is happening here is that this platform, I actually signed up to it not long ago. So I realized that they would ask you to put in all of your social media links, for example. So if I come to my profile now, social account, can you see? So they are actually reviewing all of these. Sorry, they are reviewing all of these my information here. So that is why I am not able to complete this task. So once the information review is done, I think um, I should be able to complete the task successfully. All right. So that being said, that is for Sidegig. Okay. I think the dashboard is app.sidegig.co. All right, so I'm back in again. So there are many things you can do here, for example. So see all task. If you also see this one now, you see it's telling you that post like on Instagram for 2 naira, tweet retweet for 3 naira, post like on TikTok for 3 naira. So just if you imagine if you are just doing this, I mean everybody likes on TikTok almost every day. So imagine you are just liking all these posts and you're making 3 naira. By the time you like 10 posts unknowingly, you have already made 13 naira. By the time you like about 100 posts, you have already made, you keep making money like that. So that is that for that. And now there is another one called Naira Worker. Naira Worker is quite similar to um, Sidegig. All right. So what Naira Worker does is that Naira Worker would help you to also post on your WhatsApp status, to also like Facebook and Instagram pages, and a host of other things like that. So I'm trying to sign in into my dashboard now. Okay. So I'm here. Perform simple tasks. Click here for available small jobs. All right. So just register on this platform too. I'm also going to be sharing my link. Now, see for this one now, it's saying that Facebook likes, right? 8 naira. So if I click on view job. So what it's telling me here is that please click here to like my Facebook page. So if I click here now, it's taking me to that person's Facebook page. All right, this is Top Exchange. So all I have to do is just like this person's page. Once I'm done liking the page, I'm going to make a screenshot. This is the proof. This is the proof. Upload proof one, upload proof two, upload proof three. These are the screenshots you can make that would inform this platform that you have truly, truly, truly liked the page as requested by you. So there are other jobs too. This is WhatsApp TV. You know, this is WhatsApp TV. So what this one is saying that join and save the number. So you click on this, it will automatically help tell you to save this number on your phone so that you can join, the TV and you can begin to see the WhatsApp status of this person. So that is that for that. And the price of this job is just 7 naira 20 kobo. Now, if we come here again and we see Facebook post, this one is 100 naira. That means you'll be posting for this person on your Facebook. So you can see that these platforms are there for us to make money. And the very other one I want to show you, because there is one I'm going to show you last. That one makes a lot of sense and that one is cool. I'll show you that one last. The next one I'm going to show you is called Jumia affiliate program. Now there is Jumia affiliate program as well as Konga affiliate program. They are similar in nature because they are both e-commerce platforms. Now on Jumia affiliate program, I could have shown you the Konga affiliate program, but it's not working right now. I don't know why the link is not working. The link is broken, so I couldn't show it and I couldn't show my dashboard. So on this Jumia affiliate program, if you sign in, for example, now, oh, it's telling me to do verification. All right, so it's signing me in now. So now, see, this platform is telling us that we can make money by using the platform basically. So all you have to do is once you come here, it's going to ask you what niche do you fall. Are you an influencer? Are you a blogger? Are you a YouTuber? You know, things like that. It will ask you. So once you're able to set up your profile and your profile is intact for you, then you come to advertising here. You come to offers, right? So you click on Jumia e-commerce, obviously. So where are we from? We are from Nigeria, right? So these are the current promotions that Jumia has. You know, we're already in the Black Friday kind of atmosphere. So if you click on half price store, for example, it will show you a link here. So for example, let me say I want to open, what does this link have now? I want to open that link on Jumia. So this one will take me to product pages here. You see. So half price, you can see. It's telling me that these products are in half price. These products are in half price. Remember my click ID is here. So which means if anybody makes a purchase going forward after clicking that link, something is coming to me in commission. Do you understand what I'm saying? So for people that use Facebook or Instagram, if you are very good with making an ad copy is a write-up. Do you get, maybe on your Facebook post or your Instagram post or your Twitter post? All you have to do is just attach this link. In fact, you can even use shorten URLs to shorten this link, then put it inside of your post on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. So anybody that clicks on any of those links obviously would be coming to this URL here. In fact, Jumia even have a shortened URL here. Can you see? Jumia has even shortened it for us. So once you copy this link and you put it inside of your post, do you get what I'm saying? It would ensure that all sales that comes from these link clicks are rewarded to you. That is that for that on. So you can also make custom links. Custom links basically, you still come here, you still click on Nigeria. Where is your store? So web page URL. For example, what does this mean? It means that if you come to Jumia on a good day without any of these click stuff, blah blah blah, and you want to sell this, for example, you can just copy the link here, you put it here, and you follow whatever is here next. So once you follow that, you are able to create a custom link that would be attached to your tracking ID. I mean, to your affiliate ID, which means if somebody buys that product, for example, maybe you want to promote a laptop, a MacBook, or something on your page or whatsoever. Once you do that and the sales goes through for real, you are going to be paid for that. So that is on Jumia affiliate program. Now, one thing that is very important and I want to show you is what they call stake cut. Now, stake cut is like expatriate, okay? But state cut doesn't ask you to pay before using the platform. As a matter of fact, state cut has a series of videos for tutorials on YouTube. If you come to youtube.com, for example, and then you search for stake cut, you can see that there are many videos from stake cuts here that are tutorials. You understand? So all these videos are there to help you to ensure that, in fact, they have a YouTube page with video links and everything like that to ensure that you are able to make more money. Now, coming here, all you have to do is you click on login. After you must have registered anyways, you click on login. Remember, I'm going to share the link in the description of this video. So now this is affiliate dashboard. It's still on 0000. Let me now say that I want to. There are two things you can do here. You can do marketplace. Marketplace are things that people want you to do, like promoting a product, promoting, an ebook, promoting a host of other things like that. So these are all the things that you can promote using stake cut. Now, the pay one thing about this platform is that if you click on promote, that you want to promote any of this product, the payment is directly coming to pay cut. So pay cut is also going to just give you whatever commission that is promised here, Then you can also find context. Context are activities that will put you to work. That is, they want you to do something. So this one is saying that win an iPhone 13 Pro, all expense paid trip to Egypt. So if I click on view context here, what is it asking me to do? It's asking me that win an iPhone 13 Pro Max by promoting step-by-step method to building any type of website using WordPress. 300 sales WordPress. 300 sales get you the first price of iPhone 13 Pro Max. 150 sales get you the second price of 200k cash, and 50k sales gets you the third prize of 50,000 naira, 50k cash. Yes. So can you see that this is actually active? So I've joined the context now. For example, if you click on apply now, it would put you in this context. Okay. So once it puts you in that context, then you can begin to follow the instructions here and work towards it and making sure that you are able to meet the requirements. So guys, those are the three platforms those are the 5 platforms, that I've been able to find that I find interesting, that I believe are going to help you to make, income on a regular basis by just doing the things you really, really like to do, the regular things we do on a daily basis. So that is that for that. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, I know the quality might not be all that is understandable. I'm going to improve, obviously. I'm coming back to YouTube, since for like I've not been here in a very long time. Anyways, this is my second video in a very long time. I had to delete my old videos. I want to restart afresh. So please kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Your subscription is important. I have to let you know that. Yes, it's important. And please share it on YouTube, share it on WhatsApp, share it on any way you can share it. And thank you so much. God bless.